as you can see, I have a total of 5 contacts in this system.io account. So let's fill in this form over here as test user. As you can see, I don't have any contact as test user. Okay, so let's just fill in this form. For the birth date, I'm just going to keep it as 2nd of April 2000. For the gender, let's keep it as female. I am going to enter the address, then the student email as testuser11@pabblytudes.com. This has the mobile number, phone number, work number. Then for the company name, I'm going to keep it as Pabbly Tudes and select the course and click on this submit. After we click on this submit, we have successfully submitted this form. Let's open our system.io. We have a total of 5 contacts still, but once we're going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see we have a total of 6 contacts and the new contact details are added. You're going to see the same email, same name, and the same phone number. Not only this, the same company name too. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts for free in your system.io, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. Now for the trigger application, you have to select the platform from which you're collecting the lead details, or I have selected JotForm as my trigger application because I use JotForm to collect the course registrations, and I want that whenever someone registers for the course, I want to automatically add them in system.io. So that's why I am using my trigger as JotForm. You can use any another application too. You have to search for the application and select it right over here. For JotForm, we're going to select the event as new response and click on this connect. We're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy it and open your JotForm. Now you have to select the form for which you want to create this automation and go towards the edit of that same form. Now you're going to see that you have 3 options: build, settings and publish. So go on the settings of the same form, and now from the left hand of the side, go on this integrations. Now once you come on this integrations, you have to search for webhook. So I have already added this webhook. That's the reason that it is giving me like this. But let's say I'm just going to remove this integration, and when I'm going to go towards this integrations and delete everything which is written right over here, the window will appear like this. Then we have to search for webhook and select it right over here. To add the webhook, delete whatever is written over here and just simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. Now click on this complete integration. Once you click on this complete integration, yes, integration is ready. So click on this finish button. Now go on this publish and open this form link in a new tab, because we have connected JotForm with Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response, and in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, I am just going to fill in this registration form. Okay, so for the first name, I'm going to keep it as new, last name as user. For the birth of date, I'm going to keep it as 9th of August, and then for the year, let's select it as 2000 over here. Now for the gender, let's select it as female. For the address, I'm going to keep it as this. Now for the student email address, I'm going to keep it as new6677@pabblytudes.com. This has the mobile number, same as the phone number, and same as the work number over here. And after entering all of these details, for the company, I'm going to keep it as testing, and then for the courses, I'm going to select it as Windows 8 and click on this submit. Now we have successfully submitted this form, so let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Be it the name, the course, the gender, or the rest of the details. And now using these details only, we're going to create a new contact in system.io. So now in order to connect system.io with Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this add new connection. For the connection, you have to select the application, which is the action application. You have to select system.io over here. So just search for system.io and select the same. Okay. Now for the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between system.io and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, you have to follow me, open your system.io, go in the profile picture, and then towards the settings. Once you're on the settings, from the left hand of the side, go on this MCP and API keys, and you have to open this window, which is public API keys window. Now click on this create button and name your key. So let's say I am going to keep this key name as new lead. Now for the date, let's say you can select the date right over here, but if you don't want to select this date, and if you want this key should never expire, you have to leave this expiration date as blank and click on this save. Now we have created this key over here as the name, the token, and the status and the expiration date. So let's just copy this key right from here and paste it right over here in our workflow. After we paste this, it is saying domain, so it is already selected over here because my system.io account was logged in before I started this automation. So you have to make sure that your accounts are logged in before you start the automation, otherwise you can get this domain from your system.io account. After that, you have to click on the save and your system.io account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now let's move on further and create the contact. For that, you have to enter the details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, put a slash search for the detail and map the detail like this. Same goes for the last name, put a slash search for the last name, map it. Same goes for the phone number. So over here, as you can see that it is asking me for multiple details, but only this email address was required because the email address had this star in front of that. So this is the mandatory field, rest all are not mandatory. I wish, so I can fill it in, and if I don't wish, I can leave it as blank like I'm going to do for the rest. Okay, so for the company name, I'm just going to map this company name over here, which is testing. Okay, so let's just map it, and if you want, you can definitely map the rest of the details too. I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. And yes, you can see we have received the positive response that the new contact is created. So let's open our system.io, and over here going to see, I'm just going to refresh this, and yes, you're going to see the new contact details are added. You're going to see the same email, same first name, same last name, same phone number, same company name. Yes, with this we have successfully created the connection between system.io and Pabbly Connect. So like the same logic, you can connect any another form builder, and if you want to connect some meta ads platform like Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, you can connect that too with system.io. We have dedicated videos of this on our YouTube channel. You can check it out. This video was only focusing on how to connect system.io with Pabbly Connect, so I use Jotform as my trigger. With the help of the same logic and same procedure, you can create multiple automations using system.io. So go and try this today, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. And further, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.